Iha, parang tumataba ang utak mo, Bakit? Ano akala mo, hindi ito mahalaga, no? Ang mahalaga ito at ito. We don't know what body issues others are going through. So as long as you're healthy, masaya na ako. Kailan ka mag-aasawa? Hindi mo alam. Tama yan. Take your time. Don't let society's pressure force you to do something you don't want. Pag ready ka na, go. And if di ka magiging ready ever, okay lang din. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. Itong pamangkin ko, kalalaking tao, umiiyak. That's healthy. Boys can cry and show emotion. Wala nang room for toxic masculinity. Sige lang, iho. Iyak mo lang yan. And when you're ready to talk, I'm here. Oh, sasayaw na yan. Ang di sumayaw, walang consequence. Walang pilitan dito. Gusto niyo ako na lang sumayaw. Ang tataas ng sweldo ng mga pinsan mo. And so what? Sabi nga ng bini, ang buhay ay di karera. Take your time and wag mo i-compare yung sarili mo sa iba. I believe in you, pamangkin. And support kita kahit saan.